Okay, so today I downloaded a Voicemod app on my computer. So basically what it is, it's like a voice changer auto tune maker, and it's got me like so many different good options. So I got like a Jigsaw, I got Thanos, I got an alien, I got cop radio chases, as well as some cyber tune, as well as a fan, and much more. I tested out earlier today, and I really like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the Discord I'm in, and I'm gonna use this voice on my friends.
More likely to say, yeah. Because I think we can prevent it from it even happening to us, but it's up to us to really.
There should be a way.
Wait, I would like to play a game.
It's the boy. Kill me. It's the boy.
I have a game to play with you.
Oh my.
You got 10 minutes. Search for the key. Inside one of these 3 bodies.
Oh my.
This key can set you free. And on the way, you can set KeaweIsAGrimm free.
Oh, he's got Tyler.
Dude, you gotta do something.
10 minutes starts now.
Bruh.
You gotta say the password. You gotta say the password. You gotta say, it rhymes with, fuck. I'm trying to think. I'm sorry. The passcode is like, it rhymes with, oh shit.
Oh
Here,
god.
boy. Take me
Oh god.
okay.
A minute already passed.
Scrounge
Oh
for
god.
scraps. Your planet
it
was
rhymes
on the
with-
brink
it
of
rhymes with-
collapse. I'm the one who stopped that. You know what happened since then? The children born have known nothing but full bellies
Yeah,
and clear
trying to
skies.
distract it.
It's a paradise.
So it rhymes with can't.
What?
It rhymes with can't.
You have my respect, Stark. When I'm done, half of humanity will still be alive. I hope they remember.
Can't?
Yeah. And then it's a person apparently. It's a person. Rhymes with can't.
Oh god.
Oh yes, that's the first word.
I mean, his full name?
Yep. Oh, did you get it? Calvin?
Who's Keawe?
Uh-oh.
You ready to proceed to the next level?
Oh! Dude! We crushed it, bro!
I told you.
Tyler. Now goes Tyler! Give him to
I told you to.
Alright, play. You know Gladiator, right?
his hands. Is this... Did you steal Tyler from us?
Please select the weapon. The sword, the axe, or the chainsaw.
Oh god. I don't know. Oh no. This is... Can I quit the game?
No,
Oh
Get
god.
out.
Oh god.
You must get out forwardly, or else Tyler will die.
Okay, what's my objective? What do I have to do next?
You have to kill a guy.
Oh no. Oh
Yes.
no.
He was known for harassment, but he was known
Random-
for his martial arts. His weapon of choice, a katana.
Oh god.
Please choose your weapon wisely.
I choose gun.
There is no God.
Oh no.
Like I said
Oh.
before, The sword, the axe, or the chainsaw?
And he said that his signature weapon was a katana?
Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna duel him with another sword. I'm gonna use the sword.
Alright. All you just gotta do is kill him and take the key from his shirt. Then you will proceed to the next level.
Alright, okay.
You got 2 minutes. If you don't beat him by 2 minutes, the bomb will set off.
Oh god. Alright, I'm gonna go and defeat him. I'm gonna use the dragon blade.
Alright.
Bruh, I just cut off his head.
Very good. You may proceed to the next level.
Let's go.
Congratulations, William. This is your last stage.
Hey.
All you just gotta do to get out of here is find Tyler.
Oh.
He's inside one of the 5 boxes.
Oh no.
He's tied up.
If I choose the incorrect box. Wait, so like what happens if I don't choose the right one?
Kaboom.
Oh no. Okay. Can I touch the box and like try and figure out if he's inside the box, or do I just have to randomly guess?
Each box has a picture on it.
Oh.
There's a One Piece, a one that says wholesome, a one that says sim, the one with the 9-tailed fox, and one with the title Okuno Pico. Choose
Oh,
one.
very varying degrees of choices there, Jigsaw. That's a. Do you know what anime is, Jigsaw?
This one, you have 20 seconds.
Oh god. Oh,
Starting now.
Alright. Would the 9-tailed fox one be a bit too like convenient? I feel like, but no. But then, I feel like that. I feel like. I think that's the only right choice. I'm gonna go with 9-tailed fox box.
Congratulations.
Alright, my boys.
Oh! I got it right!
What?
Let's go!
Congratulations.
I got it
You
right!
can take him
Oh, what
and
happened?
yourself to get out of here.
Yo!
God gave you a
Oh, wait,
second chance.
That was
What?
perfect.
What are you guys playing?
Hello, Tyler.
The fuck?
If-
I don't even understand.
Bruh.
You don't understand?
Oh my
Set
god,
you
he
free.
changed his voice.
Yo, wait, did you guys go, what's it called? Work on this together? Like, did you guys plan this out? That was kind of pog.
Wait, what the fuck? I don't understand. Wait, what? You.
It's over, Tyler. I have the high ground.
No! I hate you. You are my brother. You are my brother.
I got a suspect on the run. Suspect's 5'9", red shirt, bow tie, spikes, spiky hair. Suspect's possibly armed.
Possibly arm. Oh, no, never mind. Cancel that. It's a camera. It's a camera. How are
You
you
see the
doing that?
suspect's running to call them all. Inside the Whole Foods section. Never mind, he ran out. We're going in. I got the suspect. Suspect's hanging inside Taco Bell.
Roger that, 10-4.
We got a hostage negotiation. Snipers,
I'm on the
please
way.
be advised.
Calvin, what's the app that you're using?
Who's Calvin?
Okay, wait. Officer. What's the app that you're using?
The app I'm using?
Yeah.
It's called the Voicemod.
Voicemod.
Yes, sir.
It's called Voicemod? Is that all?
Just get into position.
Oh, we're getting into position. Blaine, you copy? We're getting into position.
HQ, I see the suspects.
Oh, Trent, do you spot the red shirt in the boat?
Roger that. I'm making a chase. He's almost.
Sir,
He's kidding.
I'm on
this doesn't have to be difficult. You're gonna let these people go. I'm gonna talk civilly.
Holy shit, I'm dying.
Sir, I have 12 cases of Zions. This should be a fair trade for the hostages. Please, don't let this be difficult. Sir, there's 3 children in there, and they graduated. And they didn't get a good graduation since of COVID-19. Please, let them go. And put the camera down. Please put the camera down. Look, you got 20 seconds, and we'll let the SWAT team take their action. Sir, don't do it. Holy shit. Okay. Snipers, take fire.
Oh, they got the snipers, bro. They got the snipers.
Where's man?
Oh god.
Suspects down.
Oh my
he's going.
god. Oh no.
Hostages are safe. Suspects still alive. In custody. 10-4.
Do it. With some other TP. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. And conversation got boring. So I went up to your bedroom. Broke up with my girl last night, so I went to the club. Wear a fresh white suit and a mini coat, sitting in on dubs. Just looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love, if you know what I mean. Ooh, she made us drinks to drink. We drunk 'em, got drunk, and then I think she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink.
Whoa, baby girl, what's your name? Let me talk to ya, let me buy you a drink. I'm T-Pain, you know me. Convict music and I'm the boy. Oh, I know the club closed at 3. What's okay, I can't do this.
Chance of you going with me.
What you say?
Oh, that's a good one. Now that you only meant well, I you calling him back, boo, what you say? No, it's all for the best, because of this.
We are fighting dreamers.
Oh,
Right here, right now, bang.
Hello.
what's up, baby? What's up? Yeah, we got a 1090 over here on Kawani side. Thank you. Toshi is in pursuit. I repeat, he is in pursuit.
Proceed. 10-4. I'm at the scene.
Yeah, we got a code 19. I repeat, we got a code 19.
COVID-19.
You
We have a COVID-19. We have a COVID-19. Yeah, baby.
Okay, I'm in the cave right now.
Yeah, baby.
Alright, so welcome to my next video. I'm outside my house with my last Zion drink in my right hand. I'm vlogging with my left hand. I'm trying to do a stay outside challenge. So I nominate Shane Dawson. I nominate PewDiePie. Let's see. Jake Paul.
Is that a real video?
Hey guys, please sponsor me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye.
This is a very big cave. Hello?
Do you believe in life after love?
Oh. Do you believe in love? Harder, better, faster, stronger.
His palms are weak, are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti. He's nervous, but not on the surface. He looks calm and ready to drop bombs, but he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes loud. I'm a cosplay nerd.
Hello, my name is
Oh
and
god.
my body has been transferred into a cyborg. Welcome to my 3012 year.
Wait, I wanna try this.
Welcome to the Feast Mansion. Welcome to the Feast Mansion. Hello. I am Satan. I've just possessed. I'd ask for 3,000 cans of science.
Are you a Satanist?
Yes, I'm serious. This is my swole.
Mr. Kiawe?
Hello?
You have more candy in the back of your van?
I want to be the very best that ever was, to beat all the rest. Yeah, that's my cause. Electro, Diglett, Neighbor, Mankey, Venus, or Ratata, the Furial, Pidgey, Seeking, Jolyon, Dragonite, Ghastly, Ponyta, Vaporeon, Poliwrath, and Butterfree. Catch 'em, gotta catch 'em all. Pokemon, I'll search across the land. Look far and wide, release from my hand. That's the power inside. Fiddle on a Polaroid, Needle, Gold, Ivysaur, Grimmer, Victory Bell, Moltres, Needle Queen, Farfetch'er, Ambra, Jigglypuff, Kingler, Rhyhorn, Clefable, Wigglytuff. Catch 'em, gotta catch 'em all. Gotta catch 'em all. Pokemon, Zubat, Primeape, Meowth, Onyx, Geodude, Rattata. A fly landed on my pie.
Oh my god!
Oh shit! Flies wanted it. He can have it.
Oh my
Well,
god!
I have the perfect thing for him or her. Stickers.
Oh my god, it's fucking amazing!
That tea party was crummier than a big old biscuit.
That's how they made the voice. They use this. Oh my god, that's fucking.
Even
Oh,
Brain
good on
Beast gets lonely, Finn.
That's so
Jake,
fucking.
I think Finn's getting jacked up again.
Holy shit!
I'm so shook, dude. Like,
Tyler, why don't you come over and have some apple pie?
Oh my god, I'm so. I got chills, bro. I got chills.
bro.
Oh.
When we get home, it's apple pie time. Where's my dang apples? I'm
don't
gonna
like
sass those boys up
It makes me
nasty.
like slightly uncomfortable, but it's so.
I'm very uncomfortable. I'm very uncomfortable.
Marry me, Blaine. We can snuggle through time and space and
Okay,
kiss
I'm
each other
leaving.
in an ultimate dimensional plane. Apple
wait.
pie, anyone?
Blaine, why did you do that, Blaine?
Oh no.
Oh, this is so much fun.
I'm scared.
No,
Like,
don't be scared, boy.
Okay. Gavin, if you do that voice again, I'm gonna move you. So shut the fuck up. You better shut the fuck up.
Okay, stop.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
stop.
I got a gun.
So thank you so much for watching. if you really like this video, please be sure to hit a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. And also, I'm not really sponsored by this software. I just happen to just find this. So if you're asking if you recommend it, I really recommend it. So please go check it out. It's free to download. All you just gotta do, if you want more additional voices, you just gotta pay the pro membership. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.